After school, the Brite Star kids help me here at the Brite Star Pet Store. Today, we're helping take care of our fish by cleaning their tank. Fish like clean water. They eat a little food every day. When their tank is clean, they feel safe and happy. Helping means doing our best. Being responsible helps animals stay healthy. Look at all the colorful fish swimming peacefully. They love when their home is nice and tidy. Now, let's gently wipe the outside of the tank. It's important to be careful when we clean, so the fish are not disturbed. See how clear the water is getting? The fish can swim around easily now. Great teamwork, everyone! You're doing such a wonderful job taking care of our underwater friends. When we show responsibility, we help them live better lives. Look at those happy fish swimming in their clean tank. They've got plenty of room to play and explore now. Great job helping today. Thanks for being responsible, Brite Stars. Remember, taking care of animals is a special job. Let's always do our best to keep them safe and happy. See you next time for more pet store adventures.